Alright, you have 3 parts. Right side, left side, middle bracket, 10 millimeter, and a T25. Alright, be careful. Cut yourself. A lot of rough edges right here. Almost sliced myself. Careful right here. Just pay attention before you put it together. Might want to sand it down a little bit. Alright, you're also going to need a drill bit 7/32 size to go through the plastic from the rear end. You'll see in a second. Probably better if you had 2 people helping before doing this. Don't tighten it too much. Short screw. See the little damaged part I was saying about? Sand that down a little bit. Like I said, don't tighten it up. Alright, to remove these, you're going to need something higher than T30. My T30 barely works. We'll see what we can do with it. So now you want to remove these on both sides. Like I said, it's a T30 is what I'm using. You probably need a little bit bigger, but it works. Take these 2 screws that came off of this and replace them back on this side and that one, and both on that side.